What?
Hey guys, Goldfish here, and today I'm in a tree. Yeah. Well, today we're going to be teaching about the distributive property. I have some dots, and I want to multiply them by 2. So I'm going to replace each dot with 2 dots, like this. Let's do the rest. Now I have 2 times as many dots. That's multiplication. The distributive property is a special way of multiplying. When you multiply a number, you're allowed to break the number into pieces. Multiply each piece separately. And then put the results back together. It seemed really obvious, right? But this is a super useful property. You use it all the time and you may not even notice that you're using it. So I'm going to be showing you the basic rule of the distributive property. So let's move down. Alright, so we're going to be showing you basic multiplication before we show you how the distributive rule works. So let's say we're multiplying by 2. Each dot will be replaced by 2. So, for example, and now let's do the others. And I'll have our answer. So now the distributive property, what it does is allows you to separate them into 2 groups, and then multiply the 2 groups both by the number. So we're multiplying by 2, so placing each dot with 2. Now the other side. Alright, there we have it. And now we can add the 2 together again and get the exact same answer we started with.
That's awesome.
So that seems really obvious and easy, but things tend to get confusing when we write it with a bunch of numbers and math symbols. So let's do it again with all the symbols and we'll sort it out. We have 6 and we want to multiply it by 2. First, we're going to get rid of the X as the symbol for multiply and replace it with a dot. It's just another way to say multiply. Now let's move the 2 out of the way for a bit. We'll divide the 6 into pieces. First, we'll multiply the 4 part by 2. That gives us 8. Then we'll multiply the 2 part by 2 as well. That gives us 4. Now we put the results back together to make 12. It's still easy, so don't let the math symbol make it seem more confusing than it is.
Alright, now for a second example, and tree.
Now we're going to be multiplying 3 by 31. But since I don't know my 31 tables by heart, I'll use the distributive property to break the problems down into 2 problems that I know how to solve.
Now, what we're going to do is split it into 2 parts. This 31, we're going to split it into 2 parts. As you can see, it's kind of already being separated right here. We're going to split it into a 30 and a 1. Now, we're going to multiply the 1 first. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now 3. 30 times 3 equals 90. And the 2 pieces together equal 93. And to do this, I use the distributive property, so yay. Alright, so now for one more example. This one, we're going to be doing it the way I first thought of doing multiplication in exploding dots.
This time we're going to be multiplying 11 by 23.
We're going to multiply each dot separately. So we're going to use the distributive property to separate everything. Alright, let's do the 2 tens first. Now, each on the top is replaced by the pattern on the bottom, so you see that? So we multiplied that 10 by 11 to get 110. And now another 10. And now another one, but it's going to be a 1 this time, so it's going to end up as 11. Now another number. One more. Here's all the replacements we made. Alright, so now we have our answer, 253. So that's what 23 times 11 is. Or, as we could say, or we could say 10 times 11 plus 10 times 11 plus 3 plus 1 times 11 plus 1 times 11 plus 1 times 11. Because that's what we did. Sorry if I gave you a headache there. Well, bye guys, and as always, remember to try this at home, because you can use a distributive property to create your own ways of doing math. Music from this video comes from Ben's Sound.